How's it going, everyone? Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update. I don't think I spoke about the weekly time frame yesterday, but yeah, we've seen, as we've been saying on the channel, resistance here, flipped into support, but also the 200 weekly EMA. That's what I forgot to talk about. So we actually spent some time beneath it, and then of course reclaimed it for that weekly candle closing. In fact, actually reclaiming the moving averages as well. So what we want to avoid here is an EMA repel. In actual fact, guys, if we now start to head down, this is what's going to happen. And in actual fact, an EMA repel in this scenario would be bearish, okay? Because we're yet to form the bullish cross with the 20 and the 55. Already done with the 20 and the 200, and already missed out on the death cross here with the 55 and the 200. So there's some positive things. Now we just need a little pump up, and it's going to drag the 20 over the 55, forming a weekly bullish cross. And when this occurs, if you look in the past, it is usually the signal for the bull market. So we have one right over here, a bullish cross, and a further one over here. The reason why we actually went down, it made a bearish cross, was because of COVID over here. And we swiftly came up with the printing of all that money, formed another weekly bullish cross, and we saw that continuation. Even this one over here did actually work in the short term, although we had a black swan event completely out of our control. I think in the past, again, the last one before that was down over here, signaling the bull market. So if we're going to see that, you know what that means. If we're not going to see it, this is where we get a slingshot motion downwards, essentially, guys, because we're not creating the bullish cross. That's what we need to do. The only way to do so is, we're doing quite early, like good early positive signs at the moment, but yeah, we need to see us actually breaking out to the upside. Otherwise, weekly candle closes below signals that we want to come lower, and then this would not cross over, and you just continue with the downtrend. You get what I mean? These would be the moving averages, and you just go like this and you keep coming down, essentially. So we don't want something like that. We want to actually break out. Let's see what this weekly candle close will bring us, because we've just started the week, haven't we? And when we scale over to the daily time frame, we saw a pump, didn't we? On the channel, we expecting some of a retest of in and around this area over here, but we didn't actually come all the way back down to there. Don't worry, because we were actually saying in yesterday's video, essentially, we are expecting bullish momentum eventually. Just that, are we going to come down first to in and around that area, or will we just go up? It decided to wake up. Bitcoin's now retested the resistance of the 55 daily EMA, so we need to break through that area, backtest, and then continue. If you remember, I've already spoken about this area to the left over here, this key area of resistance. Also so happens to be the golden pocket over here. In and around the golden pocket, we can see the 618 very nicely over there. So that is a key area of resistance going forward that could stop us from actually meeting our target, which is 30 to 31k up there. I don't know why I've gotten rid of that box. It was by accident, so I'll just place it back again. So from about 30, there we go, in and around there. So we're looking for this area to be retested as the target out of this falling wedge if we were to break to the upside. But we're coming into this area's resistance on the daily time frame, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get that rejection. Again, here is the horizontal support, and here is that ascending support over here. So we can come down to those levels, looking for a retest and then continuation if Bitcoin, of course, decides to dump from this point. Going over to the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see that it did break out, and we look into the past, we don't see any body candle closes above this line. So we have wicks above over here, but we never had bodies closing above, and we've had that right over here. But this for me is not such a significant breakout. Look at the wick rejections, it's not showing a lot of strength in the breakout, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come back to the moving averages. We are above all of them now. Again, in yesterday's update, we were saying I'd expect something like this unless Bitcoin does wake up. Sorry, up to in and around here, about the 55 EMA, like that. So we were expecting from somewhere over here that would come up, fail, and then continue down and then go up. But we were also mentioned in the video, wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin, just wakes up and has a go at breaking the resistance. We have done so, of course, but I'm not seeing a lot of strength in those specific candlestick patterns. In fact, these are bearish candlestick patterns, although we are technically at a support right now, reacting from it and above these moving averages over here. The actual expectation is price, well, if we're going off of the moving averages are saying even if we come down to them, price should just bounce from here, okay? But let's see if we now come back down. You can say this is already that inverse head and shoulders over here, shoulder, head, shoulder. We were just anticipating it did come down a little bit lower. In fact, I think I've got an ETH chart which shows ETH doing it very nicely. We can see it very clear on ETH, but again, need to break through this resistance, which also so happens to be that 55 EMA over there. So break through, get that continuation to here. I know this is not an ETH video, but you can see that similar things that we're seeing on Bitcoin in ETH as well. So that would be that inverse head and shoulders. Technically, we've broken out. It looks like you could even be back testing that line. So a lot of crossroads over here saying that we need to hold this area as support to actually get that continuation towards that 28k level. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, please do leave a like underneath it, subscribe and comment. And I do have offers at the moment which last until the end of this month. Just hit the links down in the description and pinned comment section below. It's going to bring you over to my link tree. If you want to take action on the course, this is already discounted for you guys to £90. If you want to private message me about the one-to-one mentorship over on my Twitter, so click this link over here. This is the only Twitter, so it's Louis_crypto with a blue tick over here. Please be careful, there are fake accounts. I've reported them, can't get rid of them. Twitter's useless nowadays with Elon Musk. And we need to free my guy Bob as well. He banned the AI. Bless Bob. But here, one-to-one full plan of mentorship. You get 10 hours of one-to-one help. You're going to get my course included for free in the price, as well as 3 months for free in my Discord community. If you want to take action on that, please do message me about the discount. You can pay me through PayPal. It will make it cheaper. But heading back over to Bitcoin. If we go down to the 1 hour now, look at what's going on over here. Yeah, we can actually see in the short term, we're getting a bounce from that key level support because the 20 moving average is over there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start to come up now. There will be a key level of resistance in the way, which will sit and in and around these body candle closes over here. So I would look at this area for potential rejections over here. Could even drag this up to those wicks as well. So look at this area for potential rejection. So something like this, guys. So come up into there, potentially reject. Now then it will decide, can we form a higher low and go through it, create the reversal wave, and we're onwards and upwards towards 28k, or will we just hit it as resistance, come down, lose this level of support and continue low and actually have a correction a bit lower? So at the moment you're holding the 20, which is bang on the falling wedge support now, because we've actually flipped it into support by breaking through the resistance. Look, harsh wick rejections over there, and then breaking through on the 1 hour time frame. It looks more like a significant breakout, but the 4 hours not too strong. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if it did something like this. Okay, so we just need to wait. I can even make it a bit simpler for you. Wait for break above this purple box or a loss of this area over here. I'm going to actually draw a box. Okay, so wait for break of that purple box or this one over here, and then you'll know which way it's going to go. So for the moment, you're holding the lower one. So we're going towards there. And then from this point, we're going to come back down. Can it form a higher low in and around here? Like that? And then continue through? Or will it lose it as support, lose this area as support, and then continue lower? Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Guys, that's pretty much it for today's update. I'm going to show you a little clip about my exclusive Discord community where there's over 80 past students in there, so you can learn from myself and from the students in there. They're all sharing trading ideas, and they're always talking about cryptos that they're charting. Yeah, so I'm going to play that little clip for you now. I would always suggest getting the course first or the mentorship. You're going to get 3 months totally for free in there, and then you can decide if you actually want to stay on. So take action on that discount while it still lasts until the end of this month. And I also have one student that has taken the mentorship slot. So if you do want to take action on the mentorship, there's just one more slot available at the moment. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.